Hi, Don here. Hard to believe. Finally got a delivery today. 7 weeks delivery from China. Hey, this is hard to believe, man. This is hard to believe. Hi. Here's Don, the German printing nerd. Welcome to my channel. Well, as I said, USB soldering iron arrived today with the postage. 7 weeks delivery. Oh man. Well, let me change camera position and take a better look at this. So let me see if this will work out. Came in a small package. Yeah, okay. Like this. Let me open this one up. But one thing that is a difference between the USB soldering iron and that Modifi3d pin, what they deliver, I think is the max temp settings, because this one will heat up to 450 degrees. I hope that is Fahrenheit and not Celsius. But, and that's the best thing here. Yeah, if I can get it out. Oh, yep, that is definitely hard to pull out. That is the normal soldering pin that comes with it. And of course I have from Modifi3d the other pins. And the first one that I am going to use, if this all works like I hope, that copper that does go, there's a copper pin here, and that does go in roughly. So that part is set up. Then you get a little stand for it. Okay, a little bit of solder, but who needs that when you have a whole roll laying around somewhere? And of course the USB cable. I will see if this is chargeable and how long it will work, and I will get back to you in just a minute. Well, after trying this out, let me just say, this is perfect for flattening. This is perfect for cutting out. But well, this thing heats up pretty quick. All you have to do is just plug it in. On the description here it says touch the metal point against to restart work. Heating up less than yeah, when you get a little bit older, you know, you have to get some reading glasses. Heating up less than 15 seconds, cooling down in less than 30 seconds. Long life tip with a protective cap. Well, that's for the soldering tip. But I think the cap will also fit on some of the other points too, but not on the knife. I'm not sure. Touch the metal point again to restart work. Okay. Slightly touching the metal point on the body of the soldering pin, then the LED will be lit up and the job can be started. Strange, because all I did was just plug in the USB cable. Yeah, let me demonstrate. Okay, supposedly you have to touch this to start your work. That means heating it up and everything. But I plug it in. Okay, now it's working. Oh, nice. That does work. Okay. Not bad. Plug in the cable. Nothing is lit. And yeah, you touch that point a little bit and the red light comes on. And this starts heating up. But we'll let it stay cold enough now. Yeah. With the doodle pin that I got, I started doing some work, filling up the gaps that were here. With the knife, I tried to flatten out some areas here. But let's say it's flattened out enough to where I can start sanding it. That will be a good help for me. Yeah. But that is not the main reason why I got these parts, because where I really need that is for this bottom part. There are some areas where, before I can connect the torso into this, I have to hollow out a little bit, and then where the screws screw the parts together, there's some areas there where I have to do a little bit of body work too. I think this might take a couple of hours. I'm not sure if that's a good idea to film all of that, and I am not sure if that would be a good idea to do a live stream. No, that's not a good idea. But anyway, well, I will give this thing a try and hope for the best. Until then, I do wish you all a nice weekend. Take care and happy printing.